Hello again and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just going to continue with my tips, and my further tip this time probably connects on to one of my previous tips that I spoke of, where I was talking about bird in flight and doing underbelly shots, and you should maybe avoid that. However, it is very important for you to follow the path of the bird while it's actually flying up and above you and over you. Now, obviously, I'm right now in the mangroves, and it's very hard to sort of see a bird in flight and follow the bird in flight. However, if you've got an open field and you can see the bird and you follow it, there can be a time when you will see the bird actually landing or going to a place where it will feed and where it will actually go to its nest. Now, that's very important, whereby you can follow that bird and actually go to that spot and obviously see that kind of behavior and photograph it. Now, this tip is all about following the bird in flight. Follow the bird as long as you can, and if nothing happens, well, you haven't gained or lost anything. But if something does happen whereby the bird actually starts dropping down in flight, starts going to a certain spot that you might be able to reach, then you are in for a really good shooting time, because you can actually approach that bird in a fairly decent way. Say you got an osprey and the bird has just landed on a perch and it's feeding. Now, it's not going to be interrupted necessarily by you getting up close. What I'm talking about by getting up close is keep a certain limit, obviously, and be respectful from the wildlife. So 10 meters, I would say 10 to 8 meters, somewhere around there, is probably respectful, and the bird won't be disrupted very much, and it will feed along and will not fly away on you with its catch. Now, I hope that helped you a little bit, and again, watch the bird in flight, follow its path, get a rough idea where it's flying to, even if you pick up your phone and have a look at the map and the surrounding area from you, and just see where it could have gone to, so you can investigate and scout that out. So until next time, guys, that was another tip, and I hope to see you next time with a lot of more content. Until then, bye.